English Tagalog translation. Do it when you have time. Gawin mo kapag may oras ka. It's already dark when I got home. Madilim na nang makauwi ako. When is your birthday? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? When was it? Kailan iyon? When did you first meet? Kailan kayo unang nagkita? I am not certain when he will come. Hindi ako sigurado kung kailan siya darating.